I don't have an issue with it, okay? Today, okay?
No. We're not doing the killer's way anymore. Call the state police and call the fucking FBI. You need a fucking army. And we're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have a problem. A problem like you've never seen before.
Greg, you threatened my son.
No. Jim, I'm not a wannabe.
I know you're not.
I'm not a fucking wannabe. Go to my house now. I'm giving you 1 hour to fucking be there. With my fucking daughter. And if you want to send the cops, fine.
Greg, we had an agreement.
Well, I changed my agreement. Look, there's no fucking gray area. Because I'm about ready to go to fucking jail.
Well, that's not smart. Come on,
No,
Greg.
but I'm really about ready to go to fucking jail. Because I could hurt you real fucking bad. Real bad.
Greg.
I could cripple you where you can't walk again. And I got money coming out of my kazoos. And I'll hire the best fucking lawyers. And maybe I'll do 2 years. But I just got done doing 6.
Greg.
I don't know what I want to do now. Do I want to spend the night in fucking jail? And cripple you forever? And ruin your business? I want my motherfucking money. I want $20,000 fucking dollars you owe me. You owe me $20,000.
For what?
For what? To keep you fucking healthy. Right now you got 1.5 foot in the grave. And you don't even know it. You don't even know it. You think I need that motherfucking money?
No, you don't. Okay, but
you
know what?
really think,
Greg, you know what?
That I'm worth $30 million motherfucking dollars. Now, you just conned your fucking self. Give me the key to my house.
No, my stuff's still in there.
Give me the key.
No, that's not happening.
All right.
You already threatened me. You threatened to kill me. You threatened to kill my son. Okay?
And I threatened to put a knife in your little fucking wife's stomach.